and database. Okay. So we can say we have only two options. If you want to store anything permanently in your system or anywhere, so we have only two options, file system and database. So both are very important. We have not any other option to store any information, any data or store anywhere except cloud. But in cloud, we also use file system and database for the using anything. So if you want to save anything permanently in your system, so we have only two options, file system and database. First is file system. What is file system? This is a file system. This is notepad. And here we can write anything, anywhere. No rules and regulation. We can type anything, no problem. Anywhere. And save the file in your system. Okay. But second is database. Database is very important. We can't imagine anything, any software without database. So database is most important topic of your software. Okay. So suppose here, what is database? So here, I think you know that Word, MS Word. Okay. We can say MS Word is like a file system. This is an example of file system. We can write anything, anywhere, no rules, no regulations for input any values. Okay. But in MS Excel, I think you know that MS Excel. Are you know about Excel? In Excel, it work on table. There is a row and column. Okay. We can specify the row and column. Like suppose here, I have declared MPID, MP name, city, email address, mobile. Okay. So there are columns. These are the columns. MPID, MP name, city, email address, and mobile. Suppose we want to store the information of Rohit or Jyoti. So here I will input the employee ID of Jyoti, name of Jyoti, city of Jyoti, email address of Jyoti, and mobile number of Jyoti. Same as suppose we want to input Rohit information. So I will input here MP ID of Rohit, name of Rohit, city of Rohit, email address of Rohit, mobile number of Rohit. Okay, we cannot write it as like here. We can write Jyoti. We cannot write here city. For all information, there is a fixed location, fixed position where we can write it. Here in EMPID, we can write only EMPID. In column EMP name, we can write only employee name. In city, we can put city. In email address, we can write only email address. In mobile number, we can write only mobile number. It's not possible we can write mobile number at the place of email address and email address at the place of mobile number, mobile column. Okay, so there are this is fixed position. This is example of database. Excel is also a database. Okay, and you can see here there is a data column menu. Okay, so this is a database. So here you can see this EMPID, EMP name, city, email address, mobile number. Okay, this is a column name. Okay, and each column contain a particular information. And if we will fill the all values of all columns or some columns, that is called records or rows. Okay, so there are two rows, means two records. There are two records. Okay, So if we will fill the all information of a particular person or MPID, so that is called one. This is the one first record and this is second record. So this table have two records, 102 and 103, and the number of column, the combination of number of the combination of rows and column, this is called table. Okay, understood what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay, so here each and everything is very easy. If you want to search a city of any person, so we will search only the city column. If we want to search a mobile number of any person, so we will search only this column. So modification, searching, modification, deletion, any data insertion, each and everything very easy in database. Okay, it's worked on the basis of a unique key that is called primary key. Like suppose here you can see this 102, like uh, email address, your mobile number, your account number, your roll number, your employee ID. These are unique. Okay, it is not possible two students have same roll number. It is not possible. Here we are saving the information here. Okay, so we have not need to write Jyoti information two times or Rohit information two times. Okay, so it's all database works on the basis of a unique field. We have no repetition. We have not repeat the data in database. We have not need to this. So
Okay.
actually, a database work on the basis of a unique field, like your roll number, like your account number,
ID.
ID, any type of ID that's unique. Your email ID is unique in the world. Okay, so it's work on the basis of a unique field. Okay, second thing, suppose we want to store any data in database. So I think we know that uh, our data save in 0 and 1 form. Okay, in system, this is called bits, and combination of 8 bits is called 1 byte, and we can say 1, and 1 byte represent 1 character. 1 character means A, B, C, D. This is one character. A is one character, B is one character, C is one character. Okay, 1 is a one character, 9 is a one character. So all symbols are one character. So means one character consume 1 byte space in the memory. Okay, and combination of character, like here you can see this action. So EMPID, this is a combination of character EMPID. 5 characters means consume 5 bytes. Okay, EMP name EMPNAME means 7 characters. Okay, so combination of characters, that is called fields or column. So with the help of character, we create fields, fields or column. Okay. After that, if we input the values of all fields, okay, that's called records or rows or tuple. Okay, so this is called one record or one tuple or one row. As you like, you can say anything. Okay,
Okay.
and combination of row and column is called table.
The table. Okay.
Table contain rows and column.
Yes.
Okay. And collection of tables is called database. Means in database, we can save each and everything in the form of table. Okay. In database, we can save each each data and any type of information we can save in database in the form of table. And table is a combination of rows and columns.
Columns.
Okay. And each
Yeah.
field contain a smallest unit of information. You can see this is a field. Suppose this is a record. One record. So EMP ID, this is the smallest unit of information. EMP name is the smallest unit of information. City is the smallest unit of information. So field is also called smallest unit of information of data. Okay.
Okay.
After that, this is a database. So if you want to manage this database, so we use some system that is called DBMS, database management system. Database management system. Okay. And this database management system have some hierarchy. So there are different types of database like RDBMS. We will mostly work on RDBMS, relational database management system. That is a type of database. Okay. And there are other types of database like hierarchical database, network database also. But mostly we work on RDBMS. So we will learn RDBMS and DBMS. Okay. So first of all,
Yeah.
we want to know about what is the database or DBMS. So database. In definition, we can say definition of database collection of data. Mm, the definition of database, collection of records of related data with minimum redundancy. So what is the meaning of minimum redundancy? Actually, here, suppose we want to create a attendance register. Okay, so there will be two columns. First, employee ID, employee name, or we can here specify date. Okay, we have here you can see this is a roll number 101, 102, 102, 103. We have not need to write here 102 again, 103 again. So duplicacy is called redundancy. So through the database, we are trying to minimize the redundancy. We cannot uh, possible, we can reduce to zero. It is not possible. But we are trying to minimize the repetition of data to the database. So in database, we will store the data with minimum redundancy, minimum duplicacy of data in database. Okay, we have not need to write here any roll number two times or three times. We will use only one times. Okay, so mostly we work on the basis of database. Second thing, here you can see this all database have a relation. Like suppose this is the employee ID. So this is the employee ID of Jyoti. This is
Okay.
Jyoti name. This is Jyoti city. This is Jyoti email address. This is
Yeah.
mobile of Jyoti. We cannot write
Okay.
it as this is the employee ID of Jyoti and city of Rohit.
Rohit.
It is not possible. Here we can put only the email address of Jyoti. We can put
Okay.
only the mobile number of Jyoti. We cannot
Okay.
write here data, sorry, city of Jyoti in Rohit records. It is not possible. Okay, we cannot mismatch. There is a fixed position for every information. Okay, so all values have a relation in database. This is a email ID of Jyoti. This is a name of Jyoti. This is a city of Jyoti. This is a email address of Jyoti, and this is a mobile number of Jyoti. Okay, so all fields have
Okay.
relation in database. It work on the basis of a unique field that is called primary key or anything, unique key. Okay, now second thing is RDBMS. What is RDBMS? So we can uh, understand through this example. Suppose we want to open account in a bank. Okay, suppose the bank will provide you a form like account holder name, account holder name, father's name, mother's name, address, city, date of birth, okay, amount, like this, okay, etc. Multiple fields, and we fill the information like my name is Rohit, okay. Same as we will fill the father's name, mother's name, address, city, date of birth, amount. Okay. After filling this form, I will submit this form to bank. Bank provide us a unique number that is called account number. This is account number. This is my account. Okay. It will be unique. So in bank, we will identify through this account number. Okay, because multiple person have same name, it is possible, but account number will be unique. After that, suppose we want to deposit some amount. Okay, so again we will get a form, and this form have some information like account holder name, amount which we want to withdraw, date, okay, and specify the account number. So we will use again this account number here. Okay. Suppose we want to fill 5,000 rupees. So after submission of this form, okay, the amount of my account will be increased. Okay. Suppose we want to withdraw some amount. Again, we will get a form. Again,
It's 21 hours.
account, holder name, date, account number, and amount which we want to withdraw. Suppose here I want to withdraw 500 rupees. Again, we will fill same account number in this form. Okay. So after withdrawal 500 amount, automatically the amount of our account will be decreased and it will be four five zero zero. Okay. So actually,
Okay.
there are three files. These files have a relation on the basis of account number. Okay. So in database, all field have relation. Same as RDBMS, all files have relation on the basis of a unique field. You can see in this example, all files have a relation on the basis of account number.
Unique numbers.
Account
Okay.
number, yes. Okay. So same as in any software, in any bank or any other uh, office, all files have a relation on the basis of a unique field, like here account number. So if you will you want to deposit, so automatically increment in our account, and if we will withdraw, so automatically decrease the amount from our account. Okay, so this is an example of RDBMS. So in RDBMS, all field have relation. In database, all field have relation, and RDBMS have all files have a relation on the basis of a unique field. Okay, if we want to work on any database, we want to create a table, we want to create some fields and record, we want to store some data in the database. So we are using multiple database software like Oracle, like MySQL, okay. So there are multiple uh, database software. We can use anyone. All software providers are facility of database, but there are some differences between uh, database. So Oracle, MySQL, FoxPro, MongoDB, Postgre, MS Excel, MS Access, and Ingress. So there are multiple database software. We can install any software in our system, and we can save our data in database, no problem. Okay. Next is, what is ANSI SQL? Why SQL? Why we are using SQL? Okay. So actually, suppose we are working on a soft project. Okay. And in a team, suppose here we are working in a team, and this is admin, this is user one, user two, user three, user four. User one. Suppose user one is using Oracle, user two, SQL Server, SQL, PostgreSQL. Okay. So we can use any database, no problem. All database are working for to store the information in tabular form. Okay. Suppose there is a admin, and in this team admin, admin want to access the data of user 4 or user 2 or user 1 or user 3. Okay. So it is not necessary. Admin knows each and every database. Okay. So how to check the data of user 4, user 3, user 2, and user 1? Okay. So actually we have a language name is SQL, structured query language. And all database support this query language. Means we can execute SQL queries on any database. So admin want to check the data of any user. So if admin knows SQL, so admin can check the data of any employee, any user. So SQL is a language that for query language. If you want to search, if you want to fetch any data of any machine, any database, so we can use SQL. SQL we can execute on any database. Okay, that is the benefit of SQL. And we can access the data of any machine with the help of SQL. Okay, so SQL, hello, anyone is there?
Yeah, yeah. Hello.
Okay, any doubt, any queries? Okay,
No. Can I ask a question?
yes,
Little question.
yes, yes,
For instance, you said that as language in the job stack, they said that MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL. What
yes.
should we write in the DB?
What think?
You
Hello,
said that MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, they are all use the same language SQL.
yes, yes.
But in the job description on LinkedIn or other job portals, they specifically say PostgreSQL or MongoDB. What should we
Yes,
do?
yes, yes. Actually, like Oracle. Oracle is a most, this is a paid. Okay. paid software. So mostly companies don't support Oracle because that is paid software. If you want to use this, so at the time of hosting any software, any website, it will be paid. But mostly companies prefer MySQL because MySQL is a server and it is open source. It is also support. It's also uh, uh, it's also open source at the time of hosting of a website. So mostly companies, mostly developer prefer MySQL. Okay, because it is open source, and at the time of hosting, it's also at that time it will open source. Foxpro is you can say it is in starting we use Foxpro, but currently we are not using Foxpro because it's uh, not a powerful. We can face a problem at the time of creating RDBMS. Okay, but we can easily use RDBMS, Oracle, and MySQL. Okay, MongoDB is only a database, and mostly it's work on the basis like as a JSON. Okay, PostgreSQL is the latest, mostly companies latest prefer PostgreSQL here. So only the specification are different of different database, but they are working on same thing. They will create database, they will create table, rows and column. So mostly companies prefer MySQL because this is open source, and Oracle is a high paid. It's very you can say expensive Oracle, and mostly companies prefer if they want to security, a high security, then companies prefer Oracle. And if you want to latest database, so you can use PostgreSQL. If you want to work only on database, you have not need to data RDBMS, so you can use MongoDB. Okay.
Okay.
So they have a different reason, but they all work on table, rows and column. But currently, actually, PostgreSQL and MongoDB is in fashion because mm, Oracle and MySQL is storing only structured data like this. Okay, there is a fixed position. We can store in a fixed format. We have a schema. First of all, we will create a table. After that, we can store these values. This MongoDB, we have not need to create table. We use rows column, but that is work on JSON, JavaScript, object notation is work on this. So that's the difference. And MongoDB's work on unstructured data means like you can store any types of data like we can store audio, video, image, any type of data and numbers and uh, character, each and everything we can store in JSON. But work on only a table base, all in our database. In the MongoDB, we have not like no SQL. We have not need to create a table like this, and we can store the data. But in each record, we will specify the row, column name and values. It is not possible to we store the data without column name and row number. Okay, so it depends on company which one which preferred which database. But Oracle
So
is a
almost
very
Mhm.
Oracle
I mean, like,
provide us high security.
Mhm.
Okay, so if companies want to most secure data store, so they will prefer Oracle, but it's a high paid software. And MySQL is open source. Anyone can directly download from the internet, or we can use this.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm going to use Oracle, but because we cannot, this is not a paid version, this is Express Edition. We can download directly from the internet and we can use it. Okay, only for testing purpose, only for practice person. Oracle provides us a software, Express Edition. We can download it from the internet and we can use it. Okay, suppose Oracle. So I have Oracle link. Hello, Rohit. Any doubt, any queries,
No, thanks for
any
clarity
confusion?
because there are lots of women that no, your explanation is good. Now I understand.
Okay. So if you want to use the Oracle, so you can use this link. Is a 11G. Very chat. Okay. This is a link. If you want to download and install Oracle, you can use this link. Click on this link.
Mhm.
Right. If you have any doubt, you can write in chat box.
No, thank
Okay. So you can click on this link.
Yes.
It will show. Okay. It will show this web page. Okay. Like suppose you have Windows 64 with platform. So you can click on this link. If you have Windows 32-bit, you can click on this link. If you have Linux 64-bit, you can click on this link. Okay, so let's suppose I have Windows 64-bit. So I will click on this link. Okay, so it will show this dialog box. Here you can select this checkbox. Okay, then click on this button. Download Oracle this.
Okay.
You click on this.
It's not available for Mac.
No, no. It's also available for Mac, but we will search on net.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Here you put the username and password. If you have a account on Oracle site, so you can use Oracle username and password and then click on sign in. If you have not any account on Oracle, so you can create. Uh, Click on this
Yeah.
button. Okay, and create your account. After that, you can log in, and automatically after that, it will download from the net. Okay, so it will take time. Okay, after session, you can download it. Okay,
Yes, yes. Okay.
after downloading, you will get a file.
Sonar Cube is database.
SonarQube is not a database.
Okay.
Code quality.
code quality.
What quality?
I mean,
Testing
it's not
purpose,
related to data.
testing,
Oh,
testing data, testing, and
okay, that's why we use Sonar.
yes, Sonar Cube. Okay, where is Oracle?
Let's see. Lombok.
Oracle, this file. Okay, so this file we will get this. Okay, like this folder after extract your folder, you will get a folder like Oracle ANSI 11. Open this folder, then you will get a Dix1 folder. Please open this folder, then you will get a setup file. You click on this setup and you can install Oracle in your machine. Okay,
Okay.
I have already installed. So I'm going to access. Okay. So after installation, you can type here SQL. So you will get a option run SQL command. Click on this. Properties. Okay. So now this is a SQL command line. Type here connect and press enter.
This is just command prompt, or it has some different command.
Yes,
line?
sir. No. This is a command prompt of SQL. Okay. You can
Okay, so
also
we need
use
to
Azure.
download.
Sorry.
Do we need to download
No, no,
SQL
no, no,
command?
no. All database are support SQL. No problem. Only you install the Oracle. After that, you can use
Okay.
this. Okay. So type here connect. After that, it will show enter username. So here by default in Oracle, the username is system. If you are using MySQL, so there is a root. The default username is root. Okay. So in the username, you can type the system, press enter. And at the time of installation, you will specify a password. So please specify a simple password because high sensitive and high secure software, this Oracle. If you will forget your password, so you cannot access your account. Okay, so must be remember this. So here my account, my password is 1234. So please type here 1234 and press enter. Get connected.
Connected.
Okay. After that, we can create the table. So for creation of table, we use create. We have a command create table and specify a name. Suppose here I name Guru. Okay. Press enter. Type here. You can specify the field name. Like suppose EMP ID, and this is an integer type. This is a data type integer. Okay. And suppose EMP name, data type var2, and 10 means we want to consume 10 character in a imply name. Okay, press enter. This table have only two columns, EMP ID and MP name. After this, to add semicolon and press enter. You can see table created. Okay, after that we can insert the values. Insert into group values. It's here 101 as a 102. Okay. If we want to store these values permanently in this table, So we use commit
Okay.
command.
Permanently.
Yes. Okay. So these are two commands.
Mhm.
Insert
Insert.
and commit and group. So actually, Oracle provides us different types of commands like DDL. What is the full form of DDL?
Delete.
DDL. Rohit, are you know about this?
Data.
Yes, uncle.
Full form of DDL?
Delete data list.
Data definition language.
Oh, data definition.
DML. Data manipulation language.
Language.
Data okay. So there are four types of commands: DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. DDL data definition language, DML data manipulation language, DCL data control language, TCL transaction control language. Okay. So DDL in DDL create and alter, alter, truncate, drop, rename. This data definition language work on the structure, work on schema, like table. If you want to create a table, so we use create. If you want to modification in table structure, so we use alter. If you want to delete the all data of your table, you can use truncate. If you want to delete the table, so we use drop. If you want to change the name of table, that is rename. Okay, but if you want to work on the records, so we use data manipulation language like select, like insert, update, delete. Okay, and DCL data control language. I think uh, we use that like grant and sorry revoke. If we want to create a, like currently we work on the system user, but suppose we want to create a new user. Actually, this is a Oracle. We have a only Express edition. Okay, that is a open source, but actually Oracle is paid. So here we cannot create database. At the place of this, we can create username, new username we can create here. Okay, so for the, if you want to give the privilege to user or remove the privilege. So that purpose we use grant and revoke. And if you want to store data permanently, so we use commit, rollback, and save point. These are the commands of TCL. So there are 4 types of command: DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. Okay.
Okay.
What happened, Roti?
No. I was just.
Okay. So there are 4 types of command. So one by one, we will try to create the example of these commands. Okay. So here we have used, this is a create table. This is a DDL command, and insert data manipulation like a DML, and commit, that is a TCL command. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here, suppose we want to add here this table have this table have 2 columns. Suppose we want to add any column, so we use alter table guru add city bracket 2. So we can add a new table through the alter command. Alter table name, add city. So guru is a table name. Add, we want to add a new column. City, this is a
City.
column name. Yes, and varchar 210 is a data type.
Okay.
Okay, again, we can show this. So this table have 3 column: EMP name, EMP name, and city.
Okay. To add one column, we will use alter.
Yes.
So I thought alter means delete. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So suppose if you want to add the record, so we will use insert into guru, same as, suppose here we are going to use 3.
Mm-hmm. City.
Okay. And guru line 1 is enough. Actually, there are 3 fields. Okay, city is also a field. Okay, so we will here use comma and specify the city. Okay, because currently we have 3 column in a table, guru table. Okay, so we will put the all 3 values of this table. The first is AMP ID, second is a employee name, and third is city. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to display the records, select star from guru. Guru is select is also a data manipulation command. Sorry, semicolon. You can see this. Okay, but
Okay.
first record and second record, city have null value. Okay, empty, because I have added after insertion, I add a column city in this table. Okay. So suppose we want to save city of 101 and 102. So for this purpose, we use update. Okay. So if you want to display the all records of a table, we use select command. Select star from guru. So select is a command name, that is a data manipulation language command. Is asterisk sign. It will show all It represents all columns. Okay. From Guru. Guru is a table name. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose here we want to input the value of a city of 101 and city of 102. So we use update command. Update city, update Guru. Guru is a table name.
Hmm.
Okay, set,
Add.
set, because we are using update. Set city is equal to New York, where
So
EMP ID is equal to 101.
1.
Any you can specify, no problem.
Hmm.
Here I have declared
Okay.
101. So it will set, it will add the New York City for 101. Now we can show this. Select star from Guru, press enter. You can see this. Updated values here. Jyoti have blank for city value here. I have added. So we can update through the update command. Suppose we want to put the value of city of 102. So use here set new Jersey, where EMP ID is equal to 102. Okay. New Jersey, where now we have to show the all records. Select star from Guru. You can see this all records. So through the select command, we can display the all records of the table. Through the update command, we can update the values, modify the values. Okay. Through the insert command, we can insert the records in the table. Through the alter command, we can modify in the table structure or schema. Commit, we can store all values permanently, and create table, we can create the table permanently. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay, suppose here there are 3 fields, but we have not information about city. Okay, and we want to put the value of only 2 columns or 1 columns. Okay, this is also possible. So here insert into Guru. Okay, suppose we want to only the put the value of employee ID and city. So here EMP, this is a column name EMP ID and city values EMP ID 104 and implied city is a suppose New York. Okay, if you want to show the records, all records, select star from Guru. Okay, same as suppose we want to input only AMP name and a city. So no problem. EMP name and city values. EMP name is Varun and city is New Delhi. Okay, we have not EMP ID. Suppose we have only we want to add only a single values. It also possible like EMP ID 106. Sorry,
Mm.
table name. Oh no.
Select.
Yes, yes. Okay. So as per our need, we can input the values in particular column or all columns with the help of insert command.
Mhm.
Okay. 1 minute, wait. Hello. Okay.
Hello.
Yes,
Mhm.
it's okay.
Yes.
Any doubt, any queries?
Mm, No.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose we want to calculate any values, so we can also use update for calculation, any type of calculation. So for this purpose, now I'm going to create a new table. Create table. Table name like suppose group EMP. Okay, here declare EMP ID int name 2 10 and basic. But 10 is a number of digit and 2 is a number of decimal place. If you want to work on decimal values, so we can use number. Okay. same as we can add DA number, HRA number, CCA number, gross, comma 2. Okay, suppose these are the fields are implied. Okay, and I'm going to insert the values. Insert Guru MP. We can specify the field number is MP ID, comma MP name, comma basic. Okay, values name, comma and basic. Okay, suppose these are records. Now I'm going to fit. Okay, start from Guru. Okay, suppose we want to calculate DHRA, CCA gross like this. Okay, so we have update command. We use update Guru EMP set DA is equal to suppose basic 45% of basic. Okay, so if we will not use will not specify any condition, so it will apply on all records. Okay, so here you can see this. See this, it automatically calculates the value of both records. So if you have 10 records, 100 giga, 1 lakh, no problem. You have not need to specify any condition here. It will automatically update all records. If you want to update only particular record, then you can specify the update command. Like here, you can see this. Here you can see this. We want to update only 102. So here I have specified for the imply 102. But if we want to apply same thing on all records, so we have not to specify where clause. Okay, so it will apply on all records. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, hello. Okay, same as suppose we want to
Yes.
calculate, yes,
Yes.
suppose we want to calculate HRA, only change the HRA
Mhm.
and basic into for suppose 12.50%. So basic into 12.50%, it will calculate HRA. Okay, suppose we want to calculate CCA. So suppose 1500 CCA See this? All records 1500 in all records. Same as suppose here gross. So gross is equal to basic plus DA plus HRA plus CCA and press enter. Do update it. Okay. Through the update command, we can also perform different type of calculation. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to share these queries. Please
Mhm.
try on your system.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt? Any queries?
No.
Okay. So please install Oracle in your system. That is open source. You can download it and try to execute these commands.
Okay.